Welcome to the southernmost edge of the Caribbean, a place where the turquoise sea meets the northern shores of South America. This is Trinidad and Tobago, a twin-island nation where rhythm, color, and culture burst to life with every sunrise. Though united under one flag, each island has its own unique soul. Trinidad, the larger and more bustling of the two, pulses with an infectious, modern energy. Just a short flight away, its sister island, Tobago, moves to the gentle, calming rhythm of waves and wind. Together, they form one of the most vibrant and culturally rich nations in the entire Western Hemisphere, a place that's as complex as it is beautiful. Let's start in Trinidad. Its capital, Port of Spain, is a symphony of urban life. The metallic ring of steel drums, the constant hum of taxis, and the lively chatter of market vendors create a soundtrack you won't find anywhere else. Here, sleek skyscrapers stand proudly next to charming colonial-era buildings, a visual reminder of the island's journey from its colonial past to its powerful modern Caribbean identity. But Trinidad isn't just about the city hustle. A short drive away, and you're plunged into lush, emerald rainforests, where hidden waterfalls cascade into cool, clear pools. And you can talk about Trinidad's nature without mentioning the famous Pitch Lake, the world's largest natural deposit of asphalt. It's a strange, fascinating wonder that speaks to the island's unique geology. This natural wealth is also what powers the nation. Trinidad's industrial might, fueled by its vast oil and natural gas reserves, is unparalleled in the Caribbean, making it one of the region's wealthiest and most developed countries. Now, let's slow things down and head over to Tobago, the quieter, more serene sibling. If Trinidad is the heart of the party, Tobago is the soul's retreat, a true paradise for dreamers. Its beaches are the stuff of postcards. Imagine yourself at Pigeon Point or Englishman's Bay, with golden sands stretching out before you and calm, crystalline waters inviting you in. Life here moves at a different pace. On the coast, you can still see fishermen mending their nets by hand, their movements practiced and patient. The locals greet everyone, strangers and friends alike, with warm, genuine smiles that make you feel instantly at home. At the island's core lies the Main Ridge Forest Reserve, the oldest legally protected forest in the Western Hemisphere. It's a sanctuary for an incredible array of birds, butterflies, and other wildlife, with hidden trails that lead you to secret waterfalls. Tobago's beauty isn't loud or demanding. It whispers to you through the rustling of palm leaves, the gentle hum of cicadas at dusk, and the joyful laughter of children playing barefoot by the shore. But what truly sets Trinidad and Tobago apart, what makes it so incredibly special, is its people. The nation's cultural diversity is a breathtaking mosaic, woven from the threads of its history. Descendants of peoples from Africa, India, Europe, China, and the indigenous First Peoples have created a social fabric unlike any other on Earth. This harmony is beautifully reflected in the landscape of faith. You can see vibrant Hindu temples in the heart of Chihuahuas, elegant Islamic mosques in St. James, and historic Anglican churches in Scarborough, all coexisting peacefully, side by side. This spirit of unity and diversity explodes into full view during the nation's many festivals. And of course, the most famous of them all is Carnival, often called the greatest show on Earth. It's a dazzling, electrifying explosion of color, creativity, and pure, unadulterated joy. Every year before Lent, the streets of Port of Spain transform into a massive, living stage. Masqueraders adorned in spectacular costumes of feathers, beads, and sequins dance for days to the pulsating, high-energy rhythms of soca and calypso music. Born from acts of resistance and resilience during the time of slavery, Carnival today is a powerful celebration of freedom, artistry, and the unbreakable human spirit. Leading the charge is the sound of the Steelpan, the only acoustic instrument invented in the 20th century. Its beautiful, metallic melodies are the undisputed heartbeat of the island. But the party doesn't stop when Carnival ends. The calendar is packed with celebrations. There's Diwali, the Hindu festival of lights, where thousands of small clay lamps, or dayas, illuminate homes and communities, creating a truly magical sight. Then there's Eid al-Fitr, marking the end of the holy month of Ramadan with prayers and feasting. And Emancipation Day, which honors the nation's African heritage and the hard-won fight for freedom. What's incredible is that each of these celebrations is open to everyone, regardless of their background, symbolizing the country's profound spirit of respect, inclusion, and shared identity. Now, I hope you're hungry, because we need to talk about the food. Trinidad and Tobago's cuisine is a sensory adventure, a delicious story told through flavor. Heavily influenced by its multicultural roots, every single dish is a fusion of history and taste. You absolutely have to try doubles, the quintessential street food, two soft, fried flatbreads called berra, filled with curried chickpeas or tuna, and topped with a variety of sweet and spicy sauces. It's messy, it's delicious, and it's pure Trinidad. Then there's roti, pelok, kalua, and the legendary bacon shark each bite, blending Indian spices, African cooking techniques, and fresh Caribbean ingredients into a feast for the soul. On a typical Sunday, The comforting aroma of stewed chicken and macaroni pie drifts from homes across the islands. And on a hot day, there's nothing better than a sweet, icy snow cone or a glass of fresh tropical juice to cool you down. Here, food isn't just about nourishment. It's a core part of every celebration, every gathering, every moment of connection. Just as food is the soul, music is the nation's heartbeat. We've talked about the steelpan, an instrument born from discarded oil drums in the 20th century. It stands as a powerful symbol of Trinidadian ingenuity and resilience, living proof that incredible beauty can emerge from hardship. Alongside the infectious rhythms of calypso and soca, there's chutney music, which brings lively Indian rhythms and melodies into the mix. And during Christmas time, the festive sounds of parang, a Spanish-influenced folk music tradition, fill homes with cheer. Whether it's the electric energy of a massive carnival fete or a humble family lime, music in Trinidad and Tobago is the universal language of connection. While culture rightfully takes center stage, nature plays a powerful supporting role. The islands are a paradise for nature lovers, boasting vibrant coral reefs perfect for diving, mysterious mangrove swamps, and lush rainforests teeming with life. Birdwatchers from all over the world flock to the Corny Bird Sanctuary to witness one of nature's most spectacular sights, the daily return of the scarlet ibis, the national bird. As the sun sets, thousands of these brilliant red birds fly in to roost, painting the sky in a breathtaking display of color. Ecotourism thrives, especially in Tobago, where you can explore the reefs or hike through the forest to discover your own private waterfall. Meanwhile, Trinidad's thriving energy sector and growing tech industries mark it as a hub of innovation in the Caribbean. This fascinating contrast between the two islands shows that progress and preservation can, and do, coexist. To truly know Trinidad and Tobago is to feel its rhythm. It's in the powerful drumbeat of a carnival band, in the easy laughter you hear at a roadside market, and in the gentle whisper of the waves along Tobago's coast. This is a country where every race, every religion, and every rhythm has found a home. Life here isn't just lived. It's celebrated in its music, its food, its dance, and most of all, in the unshakable warmth and generosity of its people. Trinidad and Tobago is a beautiful reminder that true strength lies not in uniformity, but in harmony, in the blending of cultures, the balance of modernity and tradition, and the profound joy of living freely. It is a land where two islands sing as one, a beautiful, enduring melody of unity, resilience, and everlasting Caribbean pride. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the heart and soul of Trinidad and Tobago, please give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you soon.